So there is a new AI tool that will generate ultra realistic images of yourself. So here it is called ideogram, and you can already see how realistic this is. And you can basically generate up to 40 images for free. So you can test this out for free. You can prompt anything you want. So here you can see this is basically me, and it looks really realistic. You can also make images in any aspect ratio. So how you can do it is really easy. So first of all, you will basically upload your character. This will be you or someone you know. That's basically what I would recommend you do. So you upload, and you can also just upload image from your basically phone. Doesn't need to be high quality. So you upload your image, then you will basically go on right here, and you will just write some prompt. And another thing that you can do, you can go on templates right here, and you can choose already made templates. For example, face swap. Another thing is scenes. So you can basically create different scenes that are already pre-made. Here is a selfie with a bear. And why this is good, why this is great, is because you can actually change different aspect ratios, and you can basically make an image of yourself which is ultra realistic, which is funny. And after that, you can create your own VO3 videos, basically using your image. So for example, let's choose realistic. I would recommend you to choose realistic so it actually looks like a photo, a real photo. Next thing is magic prompt is on, so the prompt will be even better when the AI basically makes it better, enhances it. And for the quality, you want to use the quality, not turbo, not default, but quality. So it will be a little bit slower but more detailed. So for example, let's write driving F1 car. And here you can already see I have basically created prompts with Bigfoot. This is the Ben Affleck, the basically popular meme. Here is some of the templates. Here is me in a cornfield. Here is another template, and you can see the face is basically 101, maybe 99% accuracy. So the image is generated, and it basically took few seconds. So here you can see that basically the face is spot on, like 1-on-1. And I am basically in a F1 race car. Of course, you have to think throughout your prompts if you want to create something worthwhile. And again, here you can see 2 generations left. Each generation will generate 4 images. Better tool than this is Higgsfield, because on Higgsfield you can actually train your own face by uploading like 30 up to 50, I think, images of your own face. So it will do much better job, but still, based on that, I have only 1 image. It is already doing an amazing job. So here is the Ben Affleck. So this looks like me, and this is fast, and this is free for 40 images. After that, you will have to upgrade. Here you can see basic is $7 USD monthly. And yeah, it's actually not that expensive. Here you can see basically the most AI tools cost like $20, $23 a month, but this has even $7 a month, and you get 400 priority credits a month. That's basically it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on AI news, AI tools like these ones. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.